outcries. A newspaper in the suburbs just north of New York City posted a map on its website showing which homeowners have a gun permit. Well, now that newspaper has hired armed guards to patrol the area. Tons of calls and emails poured in after the map was posted. And right after the NRA called for armed guards in schools, Marlborough, New Jersey, will have armed police patrolling their schools, and that starts today. The decision was made by officials last month after the massacre in Sandy Hook, New Jersey, Connecticut, that killed 26 people. All right, Judge, you've got two issues here. Let's deal with the newspaper first. They publish the list of homeowners and their addresses. They've got guns. They publish it, and now they're protecting their offices with armed guards.
Well, they're obviously being inconsistent, and I don't know why they feel they need this armed protection at the newspapers. However, I think it was wrong for them to have revealed those names, but not unconstitutional and not unlawful. From a moral point of view, this ratchets up the debate. This turns the heat up. This exposes people to public gaze when they shouldn't be. On the other hand, when you get a license from the government and when you interact with the government, that is a public event, and newspapers have the right to print it. So basically, they print this at their peril. People will be upset at what they did, but they have every right to do it.
Yeah, but Judge, shouldn't the newspaper put their own street address on their interactive map, because now they have armed guards?
Well, I think everybody probably knows where the newspaper is. I don't know why
they should put it on the map. If they
I don't know why they did
they put their own address on the map.
The interactive map almost invites retaliation for people doing what the law authorizes them to do, which is get permission to own a gun. Put aside whether or not you should have to have permission. I don't think you should, but in this society, you do need a permission slip from the government in order to protect yourself. Putting it on the interactive map almost says, here's where these people are, let's go after them. That does not serve the public good.
Okay. I'm afraid we're out of time, but Judge, thank you very much indeed.